Okay, so Maverick loves our neighbor so much. When he doesn't come outside, he waits with bated breath for him. Where's Scott, Mav? He might be eating breakfast. Are you sad? There's no Scott. And they really are the best neighbors. Like, they're always out saying hi to Maverick. But they can't be out here all the time. And he gets treats because you can see all his little scratches from jumping up to get your treats from Scott, huh? Seriously, no matter what, he's just waiting for him. It's so funny. Mavi, where's Scott? You're sad. I seriously think if we just left him out here all day, this is all he would do. Just wait for Scott.